Ah, ah.
Yum 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 yum.
Oh.
Yum 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 yum.
Ah.
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 Big mouth. Ah. Big open. Mmm. Yum 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 yum.
Okay.
Okay, one more. You don't like bananas, huh? Do you want more?
What she wants?
It's tangy bananas, huh? We'll go back
Okay,
to sweet potatoes. Jordan, say ah. Ah.
Ah.
Mmm. Yum yum. It's good, huh? Mmm. Bananas. Yeah, they're not super fresh. I kind of made them yesterday. But they're good. They were in the fridge.
You want more? You want more? Ah.
Mmm. Hits you hard, huh? Mmm. It's good.
You want some more?
Jordan, how old are you now? 6 months old today? You say your half birthday? Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. It's your half birthday.
Oh, don't eat the tray. Here.
Happy half birthday.
Here, honey, you want another mouthful? Ah.
Oh, it's good.
Mm.
That's good.
Good stuff.
Yeah, well, you don't need to eat most of it. You can spit half of it out. Alright, we're not super hungry anyway because we ate. Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jordan.